Well, students, this is the second video from the aquatic adaptation of plants and animals, the spotting activity for you. Here I am going to discuss about the two aquatic plants as I have mentioned before in the previous video, that are the Bladderwort and the eelgrass, and the two aquatic animals that are the whale and the frog. So let's get started. So let's start with the aquatic plant Bladderwort. The scientific name of this plant is Utricularia graminifolia. What are the adaptive features of this plant? Before going into adaptive features, let's discuss about the habitat. It's a floating hydrophyte found in the lakes and tanks. That means it is a freshwater plant and it is an insectivorous plant. You already know, you have learned in the previous classes about the insectivorous plants and what is the need of trapping insects by this plant. So I'm not going deep in this part. Rather, let's come to the characteristic features. The plant is horizontal, soft and spongy. The leaves are highly segmented and do not resist the flow of water. The plant bears subsessile bladders on its segmented leaves which catch small aquatic animals and insects. For the reason the name is Bladderwort. The roots are absent. Whole plant body is covered with mucilage to prevent the decaying of the plant by water. The next aquatic plant is eelgrass, commonly known as eelgrass. The scientific name is Vallisneria americana. The habitat of this plant is, it is a flowering plant which is submerged aquatic plant. It grows in freshwater ponds. The characteristic features of this plant are the leaves are long, which help the plant to stay in water and do not resist the water currents. The stem is reduced and the whole plant is covered with mucilage to prevent decaying in the pond water. Large, long, ribbon-shaped leaves lack stomata and cuticle. The root does anchoring the plant to the bottom of the soil. The plant grows by the help of stolon. So it is also known as a stoloniferous plant, and the male and female plant are born on the stolon separately. Now let's move on to the aquatic animal. The first is the blue whale. Scientific name of blue whale is Balanoptera musculus. It is the largest animal on earth and it is an aquatic mammal. The habitat is, it is found generally in the oceans and huge water bodies, generally the marine water. The characteristics of this animal are, these are very long, slender and the heaviest mammal, nearly 30 meter long with approximate weight of 100 to 120 tons. They have appendages modified into paddles which help in swimming. The body is of course streamlined. The next animal is Rana tigrina, the frog. It is commonly called Indian bullfrog. These are usually found in ponds, lakes and mud swamps. So in this rainy season you can view this frog here and there, everywhere they are roaming around. What are the characteristics of this animal? They are large sized, olive green color and they are amphibians. As they are amphibians, so they have the adaptations of both living in water as well as on land. They have a snout which is pointed and have long and strong hind limbs for jumping. They are usually amphibians, so they often jump on the land when frightened. So the respiration in the tadpole stage is through gills. But in the adults, they have cutaneous, that is the respiration through skin, as well as pulmonary respiration through lungs. Their padded feet, which are meant for adaptations in the water for swimming. So students, it was all about the adaptive features of the two animals, frog and whale, and the aquatic adaptations of Bladderwort and eelgrass. Hope you understood their characteristic features, their adaptive features and their habitat. If you have liked the video, do share it with your friends and please press the like button. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do it today. Thanks for watching the video.